and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, me, baby, me.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we make quick and easy desserts that I know you will love. And in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy 2-ingredient peach cake. So grab your pens and paper and get ready for the video, and also hit that like on your way in. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So all you will need is some angel food cake and some sliced peaches and 100% juice. Make sure it's in the juice and not the syrup. And that's it. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by adding our cake mix into the bowl.
No complication. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself.
Next, we're going to be adding our peaches with the juice. Make sure you dump all that juice in there.
I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Really been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you
now we're going to mix till everything is well combined.
Your voice and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32 bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you Suzanne.
Now you could add this to any dish you would like. Today I'm using a bundt cake dish. And I'm gonna add my filling up. Making sure I don't go all the way to the top because this will rise. Now we're going to place this in the oven on 325 for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to check back on it. In the meantime, let's get started with the icing. So the icing / glaze that we'll be putting on the top is super easy to make. I already added the tablespoon of vanilla extract to my powdered sugar, and now I will be just adding about a couple of tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Now we're just going to stir everything till it's nice and smooth, and you'll be able to tell when it's done when it get nice and like thick. You may need to add extra sugar, so just keep an eyeball on it. Once your icing is done, it should look something like this. Nice and thick and not too runny. Oh my God, y'all, I just took this out the oven and it smells so good. We're gonna let this cool and then I'll be right back to you. Now after we cool, we're gonna go ahead and add our glaze right over the top. Now you want this to be slightly warm a little bit so that way the icing can kind of run off. That way the glaze can stick better. So just make sure it's just a little warm, not too hot, but just a little warm. And just like that, here go our 2-ingredient peach cake. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Thank you guys for running up my playlist. And also thank you guys for sharing. So until the next video, you guys stay safe out there. Peace.